Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 28. What is a regular flat in a bear market? The answer is point B equal the start of A and point C equal A. It is important to note that B didn't exceed the start of A and C didn't exceed A.
Quote number 22. Larry Hyde said, "Throughout my financial career, I have continually witnessed examples of other people that I have known being ruined by a failure to respect risk. If you don't take a hard look at risk, it will take you." This is a superb trading code about understanding risk. If you don't respect risk, you will fail as a trader. Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel and follow us on social platforms.